April 14, 2021 marks the 130th birth anniversary of jurist, politician, economist, and social reformer B.R. Ambedkar. His birth anniversary is celebrated as Ambedkar Jayanti or Bhim Jayanti in our country. Ambedkar led a crusade for the upliftment and empowerment of Dalits in the country. He is fondly called Baba Saheb. Baba Saheb is a Marathi phrase which means respected father. In the year 1990, he was posthumously awarded India's highest civilian honor, Bharat Ratna. On the occasion of Ambedkar Jayanti, here are few interesting facts and information about the leader. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar was the full name of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He was born on April 14, 1891 in Dr. Ambedkar Nagar, Indore district of Madhya Pradesh, India. His parents' names were Ramji Maloji Sakpal and Himabai Ramji Sakpal. He died on December 6, 1956. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, belonging to Mahar caste and considered among the untouchables, he suffered from socio-economic discrimination. A young Ambedkar faced a lot of discriminations during his school days, but he managed to overcome his problems. In 1897, he along with his family moved to Bombay where he enrolled at Elphinstone High School. Completing his matriculation degree in 1907, he enrolled at Elphinstone College and graduated in 1912 with a degree in economics and political science. He was awarded a Baroda State Scholarship, which provided him the opportunity to receive postgraduate education at Columbia University in New York City. To pursue the same, he moved to America in 1913. He completed his MA in June 1915, majoring in economics. In 1927, he obtained a PhD in economics. B.R. Ambedkar was a personality who fought against the caste discrimination by opening a separate electoral system for the sufferers. B.R. Ambedkar launched a newspaper named Mook Nayaka and started his legal career. Because of his fights and struggles, Dalits got open sources for drinking water and permission for entering temples without any hesitation or humiliation. He started fighting cases against caste discrimination to improve the social conditions of people around him. India became an independent nation on 15th August 1947 and Baba Saheb Ambedkar was appointed as the Union Law Minister and Chairman of the Constitution Drafting Committee, which was given the responsibility to write India's new constitution. The Constituent Assembly formally approved the draft constitution on 26 November 1949 and Baba Saheb's greatest work, the Indian Constitution, became our way of life on 26 January 1950. Baba Saheb Ambedkar's text provided constitutional guarantees and protections for a wide range of civil liberties for individual citizens, including freedom of religion, the abolition of untouchability, and the outlawing of all forms of discrimination. He argued for equality and also won wide support for introducing a system of reservations of jobs for members of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes in the civil services, schools, and colleges. Struggle was a part of Baba Saheb's life as he had to work hard for everything he achieved. While he is remembered for his relentless crusade for a new social order, the Indian nation shall always remain indebted to him for giving us a constitution that defines our core values as a nation. He was the man who made us a nation of equals. And let's celebrate Ambedkar Jayanti by showing an attitude of respect and reverence towards fellow men.